Picture this, the year is 1974. On the bustling streets of Los Angeles, a man named Raul Martinez, a Mexican immigrant, creates a culinary revolution. His weapon of choice? A humble taco truck. This isn't just any taco truck, but what is widely believed to be the first official food truck. With a simple yet delicious menu, he quickly captures the hearts and stomachs of locals. Fast forward to now, Raul's legacy lives on in the form of the King Taco chain of restaurants. The humble taco truck has since become a staple of street food culture worldwide. So time you bite into that delicious street taco, remember it all started with Raul and his taco truck.